Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vida Rama. Of course in this video I will make a tutorial on hijab comfort, but keep checking, you will definitely like it because it's not complicated at all. And let's go straight to the video tutorial. But as usual, before going into the video tutorial, for those of you who have just visited my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment below. On the next video I will do another hijab tutorial. And thank you very much for everyone who has always stayed on my YouTube videos. Let's go straight to the first tutorial. Here I use Pem baby doll Kuruti material. I made the right and left the same, because I will make it like the previous video. Just use a needle so it's easy to fall apart. And after that, this is actually the easiest part. You just put the left side like this, neat but yes. And the right side is also neat, but don't hurt it too much. Just a little like this. And you can tie it right away. This just needs to be tidied up. And for all of you, if you are bored with the chest, like it's more kolos, you can pull the long part to the front. Let's just go to the second tutorial. The left side is shorter and the right side is longer. Use a needle like this. I usually bring the left side to the back, rin. And this is what you bring on the left side, and the right side you bring on the left side. Just use a needle. Well, usually I tidy it up like this and then I leave the long right part behind like this. That's it. Let's move on to the third tutorial. The left side is shorter, the right side is really long. And you can make it round like this. Bring the back part to the front like this. So there are two like this, and just bring the right part to the back. Make the left part wider. Put it in and you make this part like this. It can also go to the back, and now we go to the last tutorial. This is simpler. Bring this short part up like this. Make it above this. Just leave it. Then pull the right part up too. Bring it all to the back. So leave it really behind. And use a needle like this, just tidy it up. Done. And those are some green tutorials that are suitable for me, and I usually wear them or can be put in the back like this. And those are some green tutorials for simple Pashmina, and of course I always use baby doll karoti material or textured Ceylon Pashmina material, because it is easy to arrange and also comfortable to wear all day long, during events. And of course you also have to wear a siput so that your hair doesn't get messy, and of course wear a bun too. I usually wear a scrunchie. And those are some tips from me for the Pundongan Hijab tutorial. Hopefully it is useful. Hopefully you also like the video. Don't forget to watch my other videos because I also make some other hijab tutorials. And see you in my next video. Bye bye. It's H, it's all it's.